I need to put a $sign in the formula in order to lock in my parameters, and so the parameters don't change as I do my calculations. And look here at this formula, right up here. We can actually edit that formula really in either place here. We could actually go down here and stick a $sign in right here, and another $sign, believe it or not, right there, which locks in our E3 parameter. Then come along here, stick a $sign in here, move this along again, stick a $sign in here, and then finally for our negative parameter we'll stick a $sign in there and one in here. And that becomes our new formula here, because what this formula is going to do now is it's going to calculate the corn yield all the way down the column using these parameters over and over again, but changing the values for A. Watch what happens here when I right click on this box, copy the formula, and then paste it here. I get some really neat corn yields. Out of this formula, which you see right here. You might not like the fact that they've got different numbers of decimals on these, but I can easily fix that by using the little command called format cells. And if we can bring that up, which sometimes takes just a little bit of time here, I'm usually sitting around waiting for this, but there it is. We want to use a number with 2 decimal places in it. Watch how slick this works. Notice what we got, a nice corn yield. Let's finally make this into a graph. Let's draw our production function, and to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the insert command here and say I want to insert a scatter diagram, and I want a nice smooth curve. And so the nice smooth curve looks to be this one right here. We'll do that, and then we've got a big square here for our formula. Right click on that, and you see this little menu here that says select data? Let's hit that. Okay, basically what it's telling me is I want to add the chart data range that's going to be calculated. So let's go down here and see how we did. How about that? How about that? Worked pretty slick. There's our production function. If I don't like this label over here, I could either get rid of that, which is easy enough to do, and I've got my curve looking like this. I'm saying to myself, I'd like a little problem here that this runs up to 250, but we can fix that. Basically what I want to do there is I want to format my axis so the maximum value is not 250 but 200. Look at how much nicer this is going to look. Okay, nice smooth production function there. You say, well, I'd like that a little taller and narrower. Okay, we'll fix it so it's a little taller and narrower. Then finally we will come down here on our insert page and say, let's add a text box. Let's add a text box for nitrogen. For our horizontal axis. And up here then, boy, I'm kind of running out of space here, am I not? Let's look again here. Insert text box. We might find a little spot right here. We can move that around if we have to. Let's see, where did we lose it? We can put it in again. All right, let's just put her in and see what happens here. We'll put corn. It's right over the top of where we want to be, but we can fix that real easy. There we go. Nice graph, huh? Nice production function. Nice production function we've got. And that's the end of this video for now.